Hi everyone, I know you're all here because of the thumbnail, so let's start, shall we? Today I want to share something that I personally consider a sacred practice, and I've been following it for about one and a half years now, and it has been absolutely amazing. And the thing is daily gratitude practice. Now half of you might think that it's too cliche and the other half might not be aware of the entire process. So I'll just tell you all to be here till the very end. Gratitude is thankfulness, and acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. When we continue to focus on everything that's going wrong in our life, we fail to acknowledge how good and blessed our life in actuality is. Gratitude practice brings awareness to your life and prevents you from taking good things for granted, serving as a reminder to appreciate the good stuff. Rationally speaking, good things are happening to us all the time. We just fail to give them the importance that they deserve. I'm personally a huge believer of energies and vibrations, and I know for a fact that whatever energy you put out into the world gets returned to you sooner or later in abundant forms. And so we have to be genuinely appreciative of all the blessings that we have right now in our life to attract more abundance. Because I'm repeating it again from my happiness video that if you aren't grateful for all the blessings that you have in your life right now, you'll never be grateful for other blessings when they'll come into your life. You'll not even acknowledge them. And that's how gratitude is directly attached to happiness. Having a sense of appreciation every day for our life, especially during the struggling phases, just centers us and lifts our vibrational state. When we think of all the things that we should be grateful for that brings us happiness, our emotional energetic flows shift to something more positive and happy and higher vibrational energy. Practicing daily gratitude makes you realize how abundant your life really is. We'll always be in a never-ending cycle of wants. Our cravings and desires will always be there. But when you get the thing that you've always wanted, make sure that you appreciate it, because you'll keep on looking for the next thing to make you happy, and true happiness will never occur. Life will end and you'll never truly experience that sense of fulfillment. Now, December 2020, I was a part of a private Facebook group, and we were doing little tasks every day. And one day we were asked to share our gratitude list. Now the list that I shared was highly appreciated by a lot, especially because of its simplicity. And today I want to share it with you guys as well to just give you an idea to get started. So here it is. A good restful sleep, bright sun, warm cup of coffee, good music, my YouTube space, houseplants, call with a friend, a nutritious meal, hot bath, and good health. Now at the beginning stage you can be brief, but as the days and months pass by, you should start to elaborate your points. For example, you feel grateful for a friend, so you should ask yourself, what is it in that friend that you feel grateful for? And it could be that this friend is very kind and you feel grateful for the genuine bond that you share and the mutual love and respect. Saying thank you increases our soul's power and should be chanted like a mantra every day. Thank you for a family, for a roof over my head, a safe home, for my friends, for food on the table, for clean water, for good education. Thank you for being alive, for having a pulse, for waking up and having an opportunity for a new day. Thank you for the things that money can't buy, like your heart and a beautiful memory from your past. Thank you for the things that money can buy, like clothes and books and other resources. Thank you for my pets, for nature, for being able to help others. Thank you for good people in this world and for unexpected kindness. You can also always be thankful for surviving a bad day and for all the lessons that were needed for your growth. All the bad experiences that you have had have helped you to have a redirection in your life and prevented you from heading towards things and people that weren't meant for you. Practicing gratitude helps us rewire our brain and approach life from a better perspective. Oprah said that focus on what you lack, you'll never have enough. And focus on what you have, the universe is abundant. Start practicing gratitude as your morning or night ritual, and slowly you will find doing it in the middle of the day as well. Last month only, I was surrounded by so many flowers, and suddenly, out of nowhere, I felt so much of gratitude and thankfulness within me for being able to witness all that beauty, those colors, and having a good eyesight. Last year, I remember before the lockdown and COVID kicked in, I was in college, there were lots of events happening, and I was surrounded by so many talented people that I literally had to take a step aside, be on my own, and let all that energy sink in, because I was genuinely so happy and grateful for being a part of those communities and learn and grow from everybody around me. There's no fixed time for you to practice gratitude really. Like if you ask me right now, I'm grateful for this opportunity, for being able to shoot and share this heart-to-heart conversation with you guys and forming this entire incredible community. And for you on the other hand, you could feel grateful for this digital device in front of you and having access to internet. That's a privilege as well. You know, we all experiment with food and hair and clothes. You don't trust me, you just do this as a trial for 1 month and you speak for yourself. I promise you that you will have such a positive transformation and you will feel so much better about your life. We can even start doing this right now. Write down 3 things that you're grateful for down below in the comments and share the video with others. Do not forget to like and subscribe. That's it for today. Signing off for now. Bye bye.